everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks, and I am just continuing on preparing for Valentine's Day. And what I have here, these are those signs that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I have a total of 6. And what I want to do is wrap, and I know they're blingy enough, but I don't know. I look at Valentine's Day as being sparkly and shiny and full of glitter. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this red tinsel that I just took off one of my trees. And I'm going to wrap the red tinsel around each one of these signs. And to cover up this little hole here, I'll put a bow on that. And then I'm going to put some kind of I think I'll probably get some stakes, like a flat stake, and put it on the back. I'll probably just screw it in. Maybe I'll use my new drill. Maybe I'll just glue it. But I want them to be tall because I want to put them, I'll show you. Well, it's so dark over there. See my entertainment center up there? Well, you still see my Christmas tree being halfway taken down. But up on top of the entertainment center where the gather sign is, I want these hearts. I'm going to put 3 on each side, and I want them to be different heights, and yeah, I think that'll be really cute for Valentine's Day. So that's what I'm doing. And Kathy and I'm so excited about this, are going to be doing a Valentine's home tour. She's gonna show her home, I'm gonna show my home, and it will be done on Valentine's Day. And I'm really excited. It's just a little collaboration between Kathy and myself. And I'm looking forward to that. It'll be fun. So anyways, I just wanted to show you what I have been doing with all of my little things that I recently purchased at the Dollar Tree. Okay, I'll show you when it's done. This is what my heart came out looking like when I got all the red tinsel wrapped around it, and I think it's blingy and cute, and it's gonna be super cute. And instead of making a bunch of little bows to cover up that hole, I have a whole bowl here of red buttons, and I just put a little button on it. So I have 5 more to go. And I'm not really decorating for Valentine's right now, but I am just getting everything ready. Okay, we'll see y'all later. So I figured out how I'm going to display my hearts. And instead of getting a stake, I have these white, they're actually large candlestick holders, and I glued a couple Jenga blocks on here so I have a flat surface. And then I'm just going to glue the heart on that. And they actually come out really cute. This is what they look like. And I have 6 of them, so that's going to be perfect. Yeah, that works out really well. So this is what they ended up looking like. And I think they're really cute because they look like they're up on a pedestal. And I just have them sitting here for now, but they're going to go up on my entertainment center. So there's 3 of them done, and I have 3 more candlestick holders, and I'll get those also done. But I love the way they look like they're on a pedestal. Really cute. So these are the wreaths that I had in my bedroom at Christmas time. I left the gingham bow on it. And this is another sign that I bought at Dollar Tree. And I just put that on top of my wreath and hung it up. Well, it's not going to stay up, but I just wanted to see what it would look like for Valentine's Day. And I think it came out really nice. So that's what I'm gonna use for my wreaths that go on either side of my Entertainment Center. All right, well, I'm going to close this video out today. Just wanted to show you what I've been doing, and I'll keep you informed about mine and Kathy's home tour for Valentine's Day. So, I'll talk to y'all soon. Love you guys.